With OPEC cutting the crude oil production and with winter coming up within the next couple of months, how will this impact us, the common man on the street? So to answer this, we'll look at some economic theories. Number one, if there is a cut in the production of both oil and gas, what would tend to happen is that the prices of this commodity would also increase. And with the winter coming, what may happen is that there may be an increase in consumption of energy, which would then see an increase in demand for gas. So these are the three ways how this will impact us, the common man on the street. Number one is that prices of fuel may increase. So every time when we pump petrol or when we pump fuel in our car, what will happen is that it may become a little bit more expensive. Second thing which may happen is that there will be an increase in transportation costs. So what this will mean is that the prices of food and the prices of the items that we use on a daily basis would see a slight increase in price if the manufacturers decide to pass the cost to us. And the final thing is that if prices of gas were to increase, energy prices were to also increase. So overall, what's going to happen is that an inflation may happen